Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate commission percentage in Excel. So you can see I have data. To calculate commission percentage, select the sale is equal to select the commission earned divided by total sale. Press the enter and you can see the percentage is calculated. Select the sale, double click on this corner point and here you see. After that, go to the Home tab in Number Group, click on the percentage sign, and you can see your percentage here showing. So let's see the commission level. So here I select the cell is equal to and type here the if function. I select the commission percentage, use the greater than sign is equal to, and here I type here 6%, comma double quote high. Okay. Then again I use the double quote, comma, again use the if function, again select the commission percentage, greater than sign is equal to 5%, and again use the comma, double quote, type here the medium, then double quote, comma, double quote, type the low, double quote, bracket closed, and the last bracket closed, and here you see. Okay. If the commission percentage is greater than is equal to 6%, then level will be high. And if the commission percentage is greater than is equal to 5%, then level will be medium. And if the both is not available, then level will be low. Okay. So press the enter and here you can see the medium level. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you see you can calculate level also with the help of if function. And next here I show you highlight the high commission percentage. So I select the percentage column and go to the Home tab. In Style Group, click on the conditional formatting and click on the highlight cells rule and click on the greater than, and here the small dialog box is open, greater than. Type here 0.05. Then select the color, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the green color and click on OK. Then again I go to the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cell rule, then click on the less than, and here in less than dialog box I type here 0.05 and select the here color light red, feel dark color, and that's it. So you can see the result. The commission greater than 5% is green color, commission less than 5% is red color, and commission is equal to 5% is no color. So that's it. This is a way you can calculate commission percentage in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.